Hello students. Next definition, a mapping T mapping Rn to Rm is said to be onto Rm if each B belongs to Rm is the image of at least one X belongs to Rn. Means a mapping T is onto if each B belongs to Rm is the image of at least one X belongs to Rm. Next definition, a mapping T mapping Rn to Rm is said to be 1 to 1 if each B belongs to Rm is the image of at most one X belongs to Rm. Next, the projection transformation T is not 1 to 1 and onto transformation. The shear, contraction, expansion and reflection transformations are 1 to 1 and onto. Next theorem, let T mapping Rn to Rm be a linear transformation, then T is 1 to 1 if and only if the equation T of x equal to 0 has only the trivial solution. Proof: given T is a linear transformation, that means T of 0 equal to 0. Let T is 1 to 1. This implies that for all B belongs to Rm, there exists at most one X belongs to Rm. Hence the equation T of x equal to 0 has at most one solution, and that is a trivial solution, Now suppose T is not 1 to 1, then there exists B belongs to Rm such that T of u equal to B and T of v equal to B. Here we take T of u equal to B and T of v equal to B because T is not 1 to 1. For some uv belongs to Rm, but T is a linear map, means linear transformation, but T is linear map, so T of u minus v equal to T of u minus T of v. T of u equal to B minus T of v equal to B. B minus B 0. T is a linear map, then T of u plus v equal to T of u plus T of v. But here we take T of u minus v. This can be written as T of u plus minus v equal to T of u minus v equal to T of u minus T of v, which is equal to B minus B equal to 0. And the vector u minus v is not equal to 0 because here we take T is not 1 to 1. If u minus v equal to 0, then we get u equal to v, means T is 1 1, but we are taking u minus v is T is not 1 1, that's why u minus v is not equal to 0, because since u is not equal to v. Hence T of x equal to 0 has more than one solution whenever T is not 1 to 1. T is not 1 to 1. Hence prove the theorem. Next theorem is let T mapping Rn to Rm be a linear transformation and let A be the standard matrix for T. Then first, T maps Rn onto Rm if and only if the columns of A span Rm. B. T is 1 to 1 if and only if the columns of A are linearly independent. This theorem is important for examples. First, proof. We know that the columns of A span Rm if and only if for all B belongs to Rm, the equation A into x equal to B is consistent. That is, for all B, T of x equal to B has at least one solution, and this is true if and only if T maps Rn onto Rn. Next, B part. To show that T is 1 to 1 if and only if the columns of A are linearly independent. We know that T of x equal to 0 and A into x equal to 0. These two are equivalent because T of x equal to A into x, and which is equal to 0. From the previous theorem, we know that T is 1 to 1. If and only if A into x equal to 0 has only trivial solution. To check T is linearly independent or not, we take homogeneous system. Homogeneous system means A into x equal to 0 and T is 1 to 1 if and only if A into x equal to 0 has only trivial solution. Trivial solution means the columns of A are linearly independent. This is true if and only if the columns of A are linearly independent. Hence, prove the theorem. Next, this statement A is T maps Rn onto Rm if and only if the columns of A span Rm. This statement A is equivalent to saying T maps Rn onto Rm if and only if every vector in Rm is a linear combination of the columns of A. Also, columns of A span Rn if and only if A has n pivot elements. Next example on the basis of this statement. A is a given matrix of order 7 by 5. 7 by 5 means there are 7 rows and 5 columns of matrix A. A has 5 pivot elements. Let T mapping R4 to R7 be a linear transformation T of x equal to A into x. Is T is a 1 to 1 linear transformation? Is T is onto map? First theorem. Let T mapping Rn to Rm be a linear transformation and let A be the standard matrix for T. Then T maps Rn onto Rm if and only if columns of A span Rm. B, T is 1 to 1 if and only if the columns of A are linearly independent. Here A is matrix of order 7 by 5, means T mapping R5 to R7. Here n equal to 5, m equal to 7. Given A has 5 pivot elements and T is onto map by the first statement. T maps Rn onto Rn if and only if the columns of A span Rn. Here T maps R5 to R7 means T maps R5 onto R7 if and only if the columns of A span R7. We know that columns of A span Rn if and only if A has n pivot elements. Here n equal to 7 by comparing this. Therefore, and given A has 5 pivot elements. For T is onto, we have A has 7 pivot elements, but given A has 5 pivot elements, that's why T is not onto map. Therefore, T is not onto map. Now for 1 1, since matrix A has 5 columns and given 5 pivot elements, means there is a pivot in every column, so the columns are linearly independent. Linearly independent means T is 1-to-1 map. T is 1-to-1 map. Next example. Let T be a linear transformation whose standard matrix is given below. Define if T is a 1-to-1 mapping. Here given matrix, to show that T is a 1-to-1 mapping, we have to show that the columns of this matrix are linearly independent. This is your exercise. Next example. Let T mapping R2 to R3 be a linear transformation such that T of x1 x2 equal to x1 minus 2x2 minus x1 plus 3x2 3x1 minus 2x2. Find x such that T of x equal to minus 1 4 9. Given T of x1 x2 equal to x1 minus 2x2 minus x1 plus 3x2 3x1 minus 2x2. This can be written as T of x1 x2 equal to x1 minus 2x2 minus x1 plus 3x2 3x1 minus 2x2. Now take x1 constant, we get 1 minus 1 3. Next x2 constant minus 2 3 minus 2 into x1 x2. This is nothing but the coefficient matrix and this is the unknown matrix. So T of x equal to minus 1 4 9. T of x is A into x equal to minus 1 4 9. A is 1 minus 1 3 minus 2 3 minus 2. X is x1 x2 minus 1 4 9. Minus 1 4 9 can be written as minus 1 4 9. Consider augmented matrix. A augmented, this matrix we get 1 minus 1 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 augmented minus 1 4 9. Convert it into row echelon form by applying suitable row operations. First R2 plus R1, next R3 minus 3R1. We get first row as it is 1 minus 2 minus 1, next 0 1 3, next 0 4 12. Next row operation is R3 minus 4R2. We get first two row as it is, third row become 0 0 0. Equation is x1 minus 2x2 equal to minus 1, next x2 equal to 3. x2 equal to 3, so x1 equal to minus 1 plus 2x2 equal to minus 1 plus 2 into 3 equal to minus 1 plus 6 equal to 5. Therefore, we get x1 equal to 5 and x2 equal to 3. Capital X equal to x1, x2 equal to x1 is 5, x2 is 3. Next, partition matrices. A is a list of column vectors rather than just rectangular arrangement of numbers. That is for an M/n matrix A. Here matrix is 3 by 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 by 6. Here nothing but D. These are the partitions. A equal to 3 0 minus 1 5 9 20 5 2 4 minus 3 0 1 8 6 minus 3 1 7 minus 4 equal to A11 A12 A13 A21 A22 A23, where A11 is first partition 3 0 minus 1 5 2 4, A12 second partition 5 9 minus 3 0, A13 third partition 21, A21 fourth partition 8 6 minus 3. Similarly, A22 equal to 1 7, A23 equal to minus 4. Next example, B equal to 1 2 minus 1 3 4 5, and this is nothing but the partitions named as B11 B21 B31, where B11 equal to 1 2, B21 equal to minus 1 3, B31 equal to 4 5. Next example, let A equal to 1 0 0 0 3 minus 1 0 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 3 1, and B equal to 0 0 1 2 0 0 3 4 1 0 3 minus 1 0 1 0 5. Here A11 A12 A21 A22 are the partitions of A, and B equal to B11 B12 B21 B22 are the partitions of B. Therefore, A plus B equal to A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22. So, A11 plus B11 is 1 0 3 minus 1 plus 0 0 0 0 equal to 1 0 3 minus 1. Similarly, A12 plus B12 equal to 1 2 3 4, A21 plus B21 equal to 2 0 0 3, A22 2 0 0 2, A22 plus B22 equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 6. Therefore, A plus B equal to, first write A11 plus B11 1 0 3 minus 1. Next A12 plus B12 1 2 3 4. Next A21 plus B21 2 0 0 2. Next A22 plus B22 is 2 minus 1 minus 3 6. This is the partition. Next, second, let B equal to 1 0 0 2 3 minus 1 0 1 0 1 0 4 0 0 1 minus 9 1 0 3 4 5 6 9 1, and K equal to 2. Then find K into B. Let B equal to I3 B12 B21 B22, where I3 is this matrix, B12 is this, B21 this, and B22 this. Therefore, K into B equal to K into I3, K into B12, K into B21, K into B22. K equal to 2. So k into I3 is 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. K into B12 means 2 into this matrix. We get 4 6 minus 2 2 0 8 minus 18 2 0. 4 6 minus 2 2 0 8 minus 18 2 0. Next k into B21 means 2 into this matrix. We get 6 8 10, and k into B22 means 2 into this matrix 6 9 1. We get 12 18 2, and this is the partition. Here we stop.